gourmand lovers, listen up. Like, I don't know what else you all are wearing for this fall, winter season, but you absolutely have to get your hands on this. Like, if you don't have this, get your hands on this, okay? And this is none other than... Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Amber coming to you with the Frag View, coming to you with another video and review. And today we are going to go over my top 5 picks from my trade. So if you're interested in hearing my thoughts, just keep watching. Hello, family. Welcome back. Hey, welcome back, family. Hey, and if you are new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we talk about fragrances and body care, and we spill or sip a little tea from here and there. Yo, sis go left sometimes, so just keep it rolling. Keep it coming with me. But if you are already a part of this family, hey, welcome back. Hey, we're going to get right into it, and we're going to be talking about my top 5 picks from my October tray. So if you missed that video, we will try to put it somewhere so you can catch up on the catching up, on the catch up. But we are going to get into it of what have I been wearing for this month of October. I can't believe, honey, it's gone. Where did it go? But let's get into it, honey. I'm going to start off with what I told you all, because now the streets are talking. Okay, they talking, they keep trickling in. So we gonna start with Jimmy Choo, I Want Choo Forever. This cherry bomb, when I tell you all, I've been rocking so good. Okay, let's get into the notes. So some of the main accords are vanilla, rose, sweet, cherry, floral, almond, nutty, aromatic, amber, and fruity. Top notes, we have rose and bitter almond. Middle notes, we have cherry, vetiver, jasmine. Base notes, we have vanilla, tonka bean, oak moss, and amber. When I tell you all, please stop what you're doing. Put this on your list. Go to your local mall or Dillard's or I don't care, Saks, whoever has it. Go there, get your nose on it, and then decide whether you're going to pick it up or not. Honey, when I told you all I went to Dillard's because that's what's close to us, but I went to Dillard's. I was not expecting to purchase anything, okay? Went in there, smelled, and I was like, oh my gosh. Wait, what just happened? I had to have her, honey, and it ranges around like early 1. So 1 like 24 or something like that. This is a good pick, and I wore her about 3 times. You know, I have a large collection. Let's keep it real. But wore her 3 times, and I loved her. Sillage, modern sillage, I would say. Long lasting, yes, it did last. Now, it wasn't like this all day lasting, but it did give me at least an 8-hour kind of, I went through my work day, so that's kind of like an 8 little over hour, so it lasts through my work day. Very nice, okay? If you like a cherry scent, okay, it does give me this sexy flair, I will have to say, but I want you to get your nose on this because this might not be everybody's jam, and I don't want you to blind buy this, right? I want you to really love her, okay? Either love her or don't love her, But I want you to get your nose on this and then purchase, okay? So I would not suggest this as a blind buy because sometimes cherry fragrances can leave left on some people. Some people like, don't come with me, cherry fragrance, sis. Like, nah, that's not even my style. So some people don't even like a cherry fragrance. But if you do, this is a really good winner. And I got my life for the month of October. Pick it up. Moving on. Next up, now, if you have seen any of my videos, you probably know what's next up because I have been talking about her like there is no tomorrow. Because I don't know what else. Gourmand lovers, listen up. Like, I don't know what else you all are wearing for this fall, winter season, but you absolutely have to get your hands on this. Like, if you don't have this, get your hands on this, okay? And this is none other than EBK. Just talked about her. Yacht and Desire. I told you all. This is my blueberry lemon cake. Cake. Muffin. Cake, muffin. Get this, okay? And how you purchase this, because someone did ask me, like, how do you purchase this? You go on to Instagram, go to EBK Paris on their Instagram feed, and you basically request that you want this. And then they'll send you the information about the company, and they will send it off to you. I told you all, I thought shipping was going to last forever in a season. It was great for me. Like, I can't speak on anyone else, but for me in Tennessee, it was amazing. I mean, it took less than 2 weeks. Like, I was very impressed. The packaging, if anybody did anything with that packaging, like dropped it or anything, it was not going to bust because they packaged it to the package of the packing. Like, they wrapped it all very nice and tight so that you didn't have to worry about something breaking. They took their time. They took their time even in making this. Let's go over the notes. Honey. So some of the main accords, we have woody, sweet, fruity, citrus, nutty, chocolate, warm, spicy, floral, powdery, and cacao. Top notes, we have bergamot, grapefruit peel, we have camellia, we have middle notes of grape, hazelnut, pink pepper, base notes, dark chocolate, and cedar. Honey, when I tell you, I don't know where that blueberry smell comes from because I read the notes, like there's nothing in there that says it, but something, I don't know if it's the grape mixed with the dark chocolate or maybe it's the grapefruit peel. I don't know.
How, Sway? Take a few steps back to go.
You ain't got the answers, man. You ain't got the answers.
This is good. I'm not even going to hold you up, family. Please get this. Sillage, everybody is going to smell you, and you're going to smell delicious coming in the room. Long lasting, honey, you're going to have to get into that shower and scrub, okay? It's going to last. And then on your clothes, it's going to last until you wash. Like, it lasts. It is worth every penny that I got on this. And I feel like this was... the early 200s. I feel like this was early 200s. If my memory serves me correct, and sometimes it doesn't. But this was so worth it. I promise you, this is worth it. You want to get this in your collection. If you are a gourmand lover, you have to get this in your collection. And you know what? I'm going to even say it. You can even blind buy it. Because I did. I blind bought it and I was so satisfied. Being a gourmand lover, I was like, yes! You did it! You did it, EBK! Like, and this is my first bottle from this brand, and I was just like, you made my dreams come true. Get this. This is amazing. This is so good. Pick this up. Highly recommend. Moving on. Next up, I've talked about her all this month. I'm sure y'all are sick about hearing her. So I'm just going to put her in my top 5 because I've been talking about her all month. Okay, so this is Terra, the Gioia. She is an almond beauty. Let me give you some of the notes. So top notes, we have pear, mandarin orange, and bergamot. We have middle notes of almond blossom and jasmine, base notes amberwood and musk. If you love an almond type of fragrance and you want something that is like almost gives you a little bit of a citrus flair, that is light but almond, get this. I'm telling you all, she is so pretty. I love her. Okay, I love her like I love Tiffany Gold, Rose Gold. That's the love I have for this beauty. Highly recommend, especially for the fall season. This is an easy reach. I've talked about this before. Pick this up, was rocking it, keep rocking it, will rock it. I'm hoping to get a little bit more of a dent than I have now in it. We'll see, because I change my mind daily on what I'm going to wear. So don't count on me for a dent, because I can't stick with something for like days and days. Yeah. I don't know if I'll ever do a dent video for you all. Because I don't know. I have so many, so I do me. Okay? All right, moving on. So next up, I have Angel Share Kilian. Come on, like cognac, like who? If you don't have it, please get it. Please get it, okay? This is your woody, warm, spicy, sweet vanilla, cinnamon, amber, powdery. Gourmand lovers, to me, this gives me cinnamon apple pie.
Listen, The Rock loves pie.
Cinnamon apple pie. Like, this is so good, okay? And my sis, and we were talking into the comment section, and she was talking about how she has a very large collection of pumpkin pecan waffles that she can probably share with the entire world. Like, my sis got racks on racks on racks. No. But we were talking about that scent, and honey, when I tell you pumpkin pecan waffles, Angel Share Kilian, any body care you have.
Lavender body wash make my pores tingle.
And when I'm talking about pumpkin pecan waffles, that's Bath and Body Works, if you didn't know. But pairing that scent with this, honey, who telling you don't smell delicious and good? Like, that is gourmand heaven, okay? Highly recommend if you do not have this. You know, now I will say, let's go left a little quick. I've seen some refill products, like refill perfume, like for the new Prada Paradox. I even seen it for that like Fortune, Victor and Rolf one, the purple one. I've seen a refill. So I have a question of why the refill is more than the actual purchase. Like, I got a 1 ounce of the Prada Paradox, and I'm wondering why. I think I got that at like $70 or something like that. So the refill is $124 or something like that. Is there not another size to kind of save a little bit of coin?
Well, you got me. By all accounts, it doesn't make sense.
I guess overall, if you like use that much fragrance for that product, then paying $124 will save you like maybe $2. Maybe I need it to make sense. Like, hit me up in the comment section. Let me know your thoughts on like the refills. And I've seen that on, I feel like I've seen that either Ulta or Sephora. I can't remember which one I've seen it on. But let me know your thoughts on like the refill purchase. Like, does that make sense to you all? Am I tripping? Are they tripping? Let me know. Like, does it make sense? Because I don't know if I'm going to get a refill. All that to say, this is a refill This is a refill fragrance. You can refill this product. I've not seen how much this particular refill is. I'll have to research that, but this is a refillable bottle. But if it's gonna be the same as another bottle that I would just purchase, I'm just gonna purchase a new bottle. Like, I don't know if that makes sense. But anyway, back on track. This is so good, you all. Highly recommend you get Angel Share Kilian. Honey, this is a 2020 release, and it's been talked about since it released. It's beautiful. Top notes, we have cognac. Middle notes, we have cinnamon, tonka bean, oak. Base notes, we have praline, vanilla, sandalwood. Highly recommend you get this. She's so pretty and so good and so delicious, okay? For your delicious season. Moving on. And last but certainly not least, in this situation, we have two Kayalis. We have Kayali Vanilla 28 and Kayali Eden Juicy Apple. Now, there is a pack where you can purchase Vanilla 28 Kilian, and there's like a smaller bottle of the Eden Juicy Apple, but they're basically telling you to layer them. And I feel like it was kind of promoted to be like a apple pie or apple la mode or ice cream or something like that. I would say it's more of like a candy apple, vanilla. It's good. It's good. I mean, apple, vanilla, you can't go too wrong with either one of these, separate or together, layered with other fragrances, or again, together with each other. You can't go wrong with these products. How they're promoting it, somebody got to get a coin somewhere, but I'm glad I already had these two, so it's nothing that I would not purchase, but I was wearing this to try to see how I felt, and it's good. I'm all that to say, this is a good layering combination. If you again are a gourmand lover, you are a sweet gourmand lover. If you like an apple crisp scent, this vanilla does give it a more like creamy, vanilla-y, very much brown sugar type of pairing, right? It's like a sappy sap, like almost like a maple syrup type of combination. Like if maple syrup had an apple note in it, if there was an apple maple syrup, that's kind of what it gives you. So again, it's good, but this is what I was rocking to see kind of wasn't really a hype. It's good. If you don't have them, I think it's a really good deal that you can be able to get both of them. But if you already have these, you're like probably either wearing this alone or pairing this with something else. You know what I'm saying? But just my thoughts. And that is all, family. That is all for my top 5, kind of 6 perfumes from my October tray. Hey, let me know what you were wearing for the month of October. I would love to know. Maybe I could still pick up something. I actually think I might be done. I know. I shouldn't say it. I know. My sis out there like, don't you say it, because then you gonna be getting something. I know. I'm not gonna say it. But I'm wrapping it up. Not wrapping it in. What is that? So I am wrapping. Oh, I cannot talk. I am wrapping it up for this year on purchasing fragrances. But hey, if a gift is coming, bring on the gifts, okay? But that is all, family. Make sure that you subscribe. Give me the thumbs up. Comment down below. Would love to get to know you. Would love to meet you all. Make sure that you give me the thumbs up as more people can join this family if it is more visible to people. And I would love to meet a lot of people and just, let's build this family up, okay? Well, until next time, family, you be good to yourself. Give yourself grace And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yo sis just did. Bye, family. I love you. Bye.